We're going to do a brief video on gold swing trading, and stick with me till the very end, and we'll show you how to get the prices you're looking at absolutely free on RBAMResearch.com. For purposes of this discussion, let's take a look across the top of here. These prices are good for January 2nd. We put out new prices every day at 7 a.m. in the morning, Monday through Friday. We have prices on here for stocks, futures, S&P 500 futures, crude oil futures, gold futures, and treasury bonds. We also have forex, and we have Bitcoin. Let's take a look at our subject today, gold futures. We're talking about gold swing trading, and of course you need an instrument to do that with. One of the most liquid contracts in the world is gold futures on the CME exchange. CME owns Comex, they own NYMEX, so all of those things are essentially owned by the CME group. And so you would be looking for this contract symbol here for the most liquid gold futures, which is CG, and Q2 is your month and year code. But CG is your main symbol for gold futures through the CME group. And again, the same institution owns Comex and NYMEX. This sheet that you're looking at, this whole page, is an algorithmically generated page of entry prices. As I said, it's good for each day. They're published each morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. The way it works is you have a variety of holding periods, buy prices or short prices generated every day. And so let's take a look. If you wanted to, based on your own research and using this as a reference only, you could take a look at this at 18.26 and 70 cents for buying gold today. If you did that on this table, it would have a one-day hold. So you'd buy today if you wanted to and close it out no later than tomorrow at the end of trading if you didn't take a profit sooner. So basically these are set up, this algorithm is set up to generate trades such that you take the profits as soon as you get them. And if you don't get a profit, you close it out worst case at the end of the holding period. These are trading days, so 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading days, not calendar days. And you have the various entry prices. Today it's listing buys, some days it'll list shorts, it will not list both, you'll get one or the other. Now, gold is perfect for swing trading because it's not really that active on a day-to-day basis. For example, you're going to get a price every day, either a buy or a short, but the market may not hit these prices. So it may get closed, may not, but it's not necessarily going to be something you can enter the market at a good price every day. But when these prices are hit, and assuming they're backed up by your own research, these can be a great set of prices for both day trading and swing trading. So let me go over it real quick. This is a one-day hold, so technically you'd buy tomorrow and expect to hold worst case the end of the market tomorrow. But if it does hit this price, this 18.26, my experience is you have a really good chance of getting a decent move and you're able to day trade. It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen quite a bit. These prices in general are going to trigger or the market's going to trade through these prices and trigger potential trade about 2 to 3 days a week. Compared to the S&P 500 that we follow up here, this is going to trigger usually every day, maybe 4 days a week. These are the S&P 500 is extremely active. The gold futures are slower and they're perfect for swing trading. So if you wanted to swing it on a 5-day max hold, looking at it today, assuming your analysis agrees with it, you could buy at 18.43 and 80 cents. You'd plan on holding it worst case 5 days, but as soon as you got a profit, you take it. So if you got a profit today, you take it. If you got a profit tomorrow or the next day, you'd take it. Worst case, if it didn't show a profit, you'd close it out at the end of the 5th trading day. So that's basically how these work. Again, they come out every morning at 7 a.m. They're absolutely free, no credit card required. You can get them by registering at RBAMResearch.com. In addition to the crude oil futures, we cover the S&P 500. I'm sorry, the gold futures. We cover S&P 500, crude, and T-bonds as well as the gold. For crypto, we have Bitcoin and the major forex pairs. Longs only are the stocks. Stocks are just buys, but we have 190 stocks. All the rest of this is long and short trades listed, one or the other, every day before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. There's a link in the description to RBAMResearch.com. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to get more, please subscribe. Keep in mind, everything on this website, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You should never use these prices for anything other than reference points. You should back them up by your own research and consult a financial advisor if you think you need to. And you definitely trade at your own risk.